Hi, this is Brandon Blank, and I'm the project manager with the dr2dr team. Today I'm going to walk you through inviting users into your clinic. So to start with, once you're logged into dr2dr, you want to click the little settings icon next to your clinic, and then move over to the Users Doctors tab for that clinic. Now, you should see this Invite Users Doctors to Clinic. Now, if you don't see that, that's because you actually don't have this add permission under users, in which case you will need to talk to the clinic manager or physician that does have that permission to be able to do that for you. But hopefully you've got that, so you can go ahead and click that button here. And from here, you're brought to the Invite Clinic screen. Now, there is a message that's populated by default. Now, you can modify that if you want. So that'll actually be sent out to people that are invited into the clinic. We're going to go ahead and click the New Invite button. And what this does is actually lets you invite people into dr2dr. So from here, let's put in, we'll call them Clinic Manager, and we'll call them Manager at mail. You need to just put in an email address for them. You can choose their role from here. If you're not sure about the role, you can just choose, clinic staff or other. This case, we'll do clinic manager. You get to choose what permissions they actually have within dr2dr. So if you don't want them to be able to add users or remove users or anything like that, you can uncheck those there. And then there is a security question and answer. Now, this is ideally something that they'll know, so you can ask them that so they can answer it. Just in case the email gets misplaced or somebody else takes care of it, or happens to get in between that email, you don't want them going and having access to your clinic. So I'm just going to put question and answer here for the sake of the demo. And then we're going to go ahead and add that invite. As you can see here, we've added them in, and if you want to do multiple ones, this list just grows, and so you can just send them all off at once. So we're going to go ahead and hit send invites here, and then that sent it off. We've invited them. So I'm just going to log into that Mailinator website now. There. Well, it just takes a second for that invite to come through. Okay, and so then you get the email. Willow Clinic has invited you to join them on dr2dr. Click on that, and you can see here, use the following link to set up your account and join Willow Clinic on dr2dr. So when we follow that link, we're actually given our security question, put in the answer. Our email address, first name, last name is all filled out. Put in, create a password there. Our terms and conditions show up. It's the legal document. You can read through that. Check that off. Go ahead and click register. There we go. We're registered. Then we have to set up the two-factor authentication, and all this information is covered through another YouTube video. And once you're logged in, you'll be set up and have access to that clinic. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at info@dr2dr.ca or send us a message on dr2dr by adding MicroQuest into the to field. Thank you. Have a good day.